Hello, my automatons. Welcome to the Autonomy School. And class is in session. Today's lesson is how to duplicate objects in Unity. And the reason we're doing this is we're trying to make a Final Fantasy style game. And before that, we're going to learn how to make a text-based game so that we could actually have our text things. And in order to do that, we need a menu. So here's our text on our canvas, and we need to duplicate it so that we can make a title for our menu screen. So to duplicate, there are three ways that I found out how to do it. The first is to go here to the text and right click it and duplicate. And that would enable me to see is duplicated. Another way to do it is to click on the object itself and duplicate it. And the last way to duplicate is just to have the object selected either on the scene or in the hierarchy, and just press. If you're on a Mac, it will be Command D, but I think on a Windows it is Control D. So move this over here. So now you see the new text in 4 different places because we duplicated it 3 times. So that's all the way that you can duplicate an object. Next, we're going to, hold on, delete this. Okay, so I'm gonna move this up here. Yeah, that'll do it. So what we're going to do next is we're going to scale this text so that it would look like what is a title. Yeah, we're going to scale this text so that it looks like what'll be a title. And then in the next video, we're going to change the text. That'll be all of our text manipulating videos. Just 2 more to go after this. All right, class dismissed.